Hello friends, today I will explain about can animals get COVID. COVID is common in pet cats and dogs whose owners have the disease, research suggests. Swabs were taken from 310 pets in 196 households where human infection had been detected. 6 cats and 7 dogs returned a positive PCR result, while 54 animals tested positive for virus antibodies. If you have COVID, you should avoid contact with your cat or dog, just as you would do with other people, Dr. Els Bruins, from Utrecht University, said. The main concern is not the animal's health but the potential risk that pets could act as a reservoir of the virus and reintroduce it into the human population. The authors of this study said no evidence of pet-to-owner transmission had been recorded to date, but it would be difficult to detect while the virus was still spreading easily between humans. Most infected pets tend to be asymptomatic or display mild COVID symptoms. Researchers from Utrecht University sent a mobile veterinary clinic to households in the Netherlands that had tested positive for COVID at some point in the past 200 days. Swabs were taken from their pet cats and dogs to test for evidence of recurrent infection, while blood samples were also tested for antibodies suggesting a past exposure to COVID. The results were presented at the European Congress of Clinical Microbiology and Infectious Diseases. 4 PERCENT showed evidence of recurrent infection. एक साथ 4 PERCENT tested positive for antibodies. Follow-up tests showed all the PCR positive polymerase chain reaction. Animals cleared the infection and went on to develop antibodies. The researchers say the most likely route of virus transmission is from human to animal, rather than the other way round. We can't say there is a suffer PERCENT risk of owners catching COVID from their pets, veterinary microbiological diagnostic center Dr. Bruin said. At the moment, the pandemic is still being driven by human-to-human infections, so we just wouldn't detect it. Vets in Russia have started vaccinating some animals against the disease. But Dr. Bruin said, I don't see the scientific evidence for that now. It seems unlikely that pets play a role in the pandemic. A separate study run by the University of Guelph in Ontario, Canada, found cats that slept on their owner's bed seemed to be at particular risk of infection. A total of 48 cats and 54 dogs from 77 households were tested for COVID antibodies, and their owners asked about their interaction with their pets. About 6 PERCENT of beyond cats and 4 PERCENT of beyond dogs tested positive compared